Today, we are going to make some grass. No, I'm not in Colorado, so it's not going to be that kind of grass. It's our techniques that are so simple and sensible, your mothers would practically build themselves.
Hello folks, it's Mad Dog Merv. Welcome to the Kit Hoarder Stash. Today I'm going to show you something I picked up recently at the local model show. This is the Moebuis Invisible Man kit. And what I was really surprised is it's fairly heavy. I guess these are still available on Amazon from what my understanding is. The cost is 30s to low 40s depending on where you get it, but let's take a look at it real quick and see what we have here. Okay, we'll start out with excuse me, with these clear parts. This has a lot of jars, clear jars, and they look pretty neat. I'll be interested to see how they go together, but it looks like a lab rat. I'm not sure what this is, just without looking at the instructions, but definitely a couple lab rats there. And you see these bottles here. Oh yeah, there's some paws and some tails. Some kind of an aquarium looking thing. Interesting. Ooh, and more. Bunch of beakers. And more bottles of different shapes. Those are going to be fun. Those are going to be real fun. And it looks like we have his body. Now, I'll get to it in just a minute. Okay, now that we've had to play pickup sticks from opening the bag, here is the back of the lab coat. Yeah, the molding looks good. There's good detail into it. And here's the back of his britches. And apparently the two fronts of his lab coat. And the front of his breeches. Oh, and the shirt and tie. Here are the other gray parts. Let's see about these. This looks like it's going to be fun to build. That's why I picked it up. Another fun Halloween subject. They had several, and I only had so much money, so I had to make some tough choices. So here is, so that you can see that he's actually got a head wrapped in cloth, supposedly. So here's the head, the arms. Interesting, he has hands. I think being an invisible man, he wouldn't have hands, but oh, I don't know, you know, I never met one. There's his shoes, and let's see here. Oh, a couple of parts that fell off the sprue. Sleeve, and another arm. Okay, here are, wow, we got goggles. Really not sure what these are. I'll be interested to see what they are in the instructions. But some swaddling, books. That'll be kind of neat to have some books in this larger scale. And then for the final plastic bag, this one is molded in kind of a, I don't know, yellowish orange color. Nice floor with throw rug molded in, and again the molding is very nice and crisp. It says it's a 2008 release. Oh, this probably goes on that clear aquarium like thing. I don't know what it is. Looks like worms or spaghetti or something. His hat, there's a skull, I'm not sure what this is. Some sort of spindle probably that goes on his legs, and probably for a table. And a book that says The Invisible Man. And some books that are stacked on each other. Oh yes, here's his table with some books imprinted into this one. I'm not sure why. This must be the bookcase. And this must be the sides of the bookcase and part of a table, it looks like. Not sure. Okay. Let's get into the instructions. Here's the story of the Invisible Man. How cool is that? But if you look at all these neat things that it comes with, the little table, and it looks like a skeletal rat, and then all of the potions, concoctions, and books. That's pretty neat. Here's your parts breakdown and kind of how it goes together. I like that. I like the way that that's done. And wow, there's actually quite a few parts here. No wonder that was so heavy. Looks like we have some photos here of how you can paint it. Nice. Oh yeah, making your bookshelf, putting the stuff in the bookshelf, putting the glass pieces together. Oh, there's a frog. Okay, one of those is a frog. We have a sitting rat and we have a climbing rat. Oh yeah, very neat. I'm pretty impressed with the instructions here. And then the color call outs. Now, I don't know, it says Testors Enamels and Model Master Acrylics, so neat if you still have those, and if you don't, you're gonna have to figure these out. But I think you could figure it out pretty easy. And then some of the other items that they have. This looks like it's going to be just a fun kit to build. And then this was in there. So, awesome. Well, for those of you who built it, you'll have to let me know in the comments how yours turned out and how you liked it. I will get building on this here before long. Be a fun little fun Halloween project. This is going to take, I would imagine this is going to take me a couple of weeks to get built. Looks like we have a clear piece still in there. Don't want to use that. But quite a bit of plastic, especially for how much I paid for it. I think at the show I paid 25 bucks for it, so not too bad. Get all the pieces back in. Don't think they're going to go back in the way I have them. So anyway, thanks for joining us today, folks, and we'll see you again next time on The Stash. Bye-bye.